Do you stress over entertaining visitors when they come to visit you from out of town? Or maybe you're even just looking to explore new places within your own city. Either way, in this episode of Traveling Tips, we're checking out some of my picks for ways to entertain out-of-town visitors in Los Angeles. When people come to Los Angeles, they have dreams of seeing stars and glamorous old Hollywood. Well, they're most likely going to be disappointed if you take them to places like Hollywood Boulevard. Instead, I want to share with you some great spots around Southern California that will give your visitors a great sense of the lifestyle and vibe of this sunny paradise. Our first stop is the Warner Brothers Studio in Burbank, California. The Warner Brothers Studio opened in 1926 as the Warner Brothers expanded their film production. This is still one of the busiest working film and TV studios in the Los Angeles area. Many popular films like La La Land, The Dark Knight, and Spider-Man were filmed here. Also, TV shows like Friends, Mom, Gilmore Girls, and Ellen were filmed here too. You can visit the studio and take the Warner Brothers Studio tour. Tickets start at $69 per adult. Right now, there's a Southern California resident discount with tickets starting at $57 for an adult. There's also a $15 fee to park your car. The tour lasts about an hour, riding around the lot, with time to explore the set of Central Perk from Friends and the Big Bang Theory set. If you have a movie buff visiting LA, I definitely recommend this tour. Our next stop is the Getty Villa in the Pacific Palisades area of Los Angeles. John Paul Getty was an oil tycoon who had a love for art. His collection is on display here at the Getty Villa and across town at the Getty Center. The villa displays the ancient Greek and Roman art pieces of his collection. The building itself is modeled after an ancient villa in Italy. A central courtyard is surrounded by galleries featuring statues and pottery from ancient Greece and Rome. A long pool stretches from the main building towards the ocean. The garden is stunning and is popular with photographers. The museum is free to enter, however there is a $20 fee for parking. Right now, you need to reserve a time slot for entry. Many people don't realize this cultural treasure is there as they fly by on PCH. Make sure to stop in with your out-of-town visitor. Next, we're heading up towards the top of Mount Hollywood to the Griffith Observatory. This is one of LA's most popular attractions because of its stunning views and relative convenience. From up here, you have a great view of the downtown skyline and the Hollywood sign. You can even see out to the ocean on clear days. The observatory itself has reopened and has interesting exhibits inside, like a giant pendulum and various telescopes. You can also go up on the roof of the observatory to see the telescopes and get a great view of LA. I think the best time of day to come is just before sunset, so you can watch the lights of the city turn on. Parking can be a pain since there's a small parking lot. Once that lot is full, you'll be directed to park along the road that leads up the hill. You can also park at the bottom of Mount Hollywood and do the hike up to the top. Next, we're heading north from Los Angeles to the city of Santa Barbara. Located just 90 miles from Los Angeles, this city by the sea is a perfect day trip to escape the craziness of LA. Besides taking in the natural beauty, people love to come to Santa Barbara to experience the wine tasting rooms and microbreweries around the Funk Zone. A wine tasting at Area 5.1 Winery with snacks from the Lucky Penny in a lovely garden makes for a fun afternoon. Nearby is State Street, which is the main road through Santa Barbara's downtown. Right now, several blocks are closed off to car traffic to allow for outdoor seating at many of the bars and restaurants. I'd recommend the Sandbar for great Mexican food and drinks. Finish your meal with some ice cream from McConnell's down the street. Down by the water is the wharf. This pier extends out into the Pacific Ocean, giving great views of the waves. The water is very calm, and it's very popular to go kayaking or stand-up paddleboarding here. The great beaches and viewpoints give out-of-towners a great taste of the California lifestyle. Lastly, we'll finish south of Los Angeles in the city of Newport Beach. More widely known as the setting for the hit TV show The O.C., Newport Beach is a laid-back, stereotypical Southern California beach town. Bring your out-of-town visitors to the piers to gaze at the beautiful green water. A walk along the sand is a must. You can rent bikes and ride along the oceanfront path on the Balboa Peninsula. Hop on the Balboa Island Ferry for a quick voyage across Newport Harbor to Balboa Island. Cute shops and restaurants along Marine Avenue give Balboa Island a lot of charm. Consider stopping into Snipe Island Craft House for some great pizza before crossing the street to Sugar and Spice for a classic Balboa bar. The Bayfront Walkway around Balboa Island is a 3-mile trail that gives you great views of million-dollar homes and stunning boats. If you're visiting with kids, you can check out the amusement rides at the Fun Zone, which includes a Ferris wheel and arcade. Dinner at the Beachcomber at Crystal Cove is the perfect way to watch the sunset and cap off a perfect Southern California day trip that your visitors won't soon forget. There's so many ways that you can entertain your out-of-town family and friends. For more of my LA area suggestions, check out the videos I'm linking here. If you liked this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.